First go to the file and choose open. Select this image, click open. Go to the adjustment layer options and choose Hue saturation adjustment layer. Now select the modify icon, pick the yellow color, reduce the saturation to -100, increase the lightness to +100. Next pick blue color, reduce the saturation to -100, increase the lightness to +100. Repeat the same steps for the other colors. Close this panel, then go to the adjustment layer options and this time choose levels adjustment layer. Modify these input levels like this. Let's see the final result.